This is to demonstrate how to book an appointment with me for office hours, help, and any matter that you want to talk to me. Please log into Microsoft Teams and go to Calendar of Microsoft Teams, then click on New Meeting. Over there, mention what is the meeting about. So let's say over here the meeting's about help with workshop 1. And then after you do this, you need to uh, send me, if it's help with coding, you need to add in the detail the URL of your repository on GitHub so I can bring it up and help you. For example, if this is the student's repository, if it's your repository, you click on your repositories and you pick the repository that you added me as a collaborator to. You copy the link and then you send it to me over here, GitHub repository, and you add the URL to it. That helps me to bring up your repository quickly when we are having a meeting. And it's essential for you to use Microsoft Teams app, because in that case, if for any reason I need to connect to your computer to help you with your computer, that's the only way that is possible. With the web application, we cannot do that. Then after you add this is the very important part of the creating a meeting, is to go on Scheduling Assistant, and on Scheduling Assistant add the required attendees, that is Fardad. This is, as you see, this is the student account. Just type over here Fardad and it's going to show you me. So it's like it's Fardad Soleimani Professor. You see that? You click over here and it shows my availability. So if you see, these are the time slots that I am actually busy. So you put it on a certain time slot that I am not busy. Let's say I want to have a meeting, and don't try to make it in a way so it's a little bit far from the other meetings, so I can actually quickly come from one meeting to another, or not. If not, you can set it in any way. It has to be on a space that I am not busy, and then you click you click send. So this sends me a request for a meeting at that time. And if you look, this is my this is my Microsoft Teams, and as you see, help with workshop 1 over here is here. Now, depending, based on my situation, I will either accept, decline, or whatever. So in here I can simply say RSVP, and I'm gonna write something over here. I may be 5 minutes late, and I'm going to click on accept. And by doing this, then you will see that the meeting is accepted in here in your calendar, and at the time when you just when the time starts, you join. Make sure you test your microphone before you run your meeting to make sure your microphone works, and then we can have our meeting. Thank you very much and have a good day.